What is financial modeling, and why does it matter for businesses? Hey, welcome to Module 1. This module introduces the topic of financial modeling. Before we start building complex calculators and forecasts, we need to understand the term, get familiar with our most important tools, and learn the basic rules that will keep our work clean, professional, and error-free. By the end of this module, you will understand what a financial model truly is and be ready to set up the foundation for our project. Let's get started. What is financial modeling, and why does it matter? So, what is this financial model we are talking about? At its heart, a financial model is a tool usually built in a spreadsheet like Excel that uses a company's data and a set of assumptions to forecast its future financial performance. Think of it as a financial simulator for a business. You plug in what you know, like costs and prices, and your best guesses about the future, like sales growth, and the model shows you the potential outcomes. In simple terms, financial modeling is turning business facts and assumptions into numbers and formulas in a spreadsheet so you can answer what-if questions. For example, Greenleaf makes 3 products: a loaf of bread, pastries, and a packaged cake. If flour prices rise by 10%, how will the monthly profit change? A model lets you change the flour price once and instantly see the new unit cost, profit, and cash flow. Why does this matter so much? It matters because businesses run on decisions, and financial models power data-driven decisions. Instead of relying on guesses and gut feelings, you can answer critical questions with numbers. Let's think about our startup, Greenleaf Bakery. The owner might be wondering, if I increase the price of my loaf of bread by $1, will I become profitable faster? What happens to my business if the cost of sugar goes up by 20%? How many loaves of bread do I need to sell each month to cover my costs? A financial model takes these questions and turns them into concrete answers. It connects the dots between an action, like changing a price, and the result, the impact on profit and cash. It is a roadmap that shows you where you are, where you could be going, and the different paths you can take to get there. Now that you know, it is your turn to implement what you have learned. Activity 1. Write a one-sentence answer to the question, why does my business need a model? Even if you don't have a business now, use a nearby business or an idea you are nursing. A typical answer can be, to understand the exact effect of changes in raw materials on the business and forecast monthly cash flows. Discuss your answer in the comments.